guys, this is Snell Shankar Ekhande. Welcomes you all to my doubt solving sessions. Today we are going to solve the problems related to the reasoning. Here we go. The question is, a group of 7 friends A, B, C, D, E, F and G works as an economist, agriculture officer, IT officer, terminal operator, clerk, forex officer and research analyst are working for a banks L, M, N, P, Q, R and S, but not necessary in the same order. Okay. The conditions are: first, C works for a bank N and is neither a research analyst nor a clerk. Second, E is an IT officer and works for a bank R. Third, A works as a forex officer and does not work for a bank L or Q. Okay. Fourth, the one who is an agriculture officer works for a bank M. Fourth, the one who works for a bank L works as a terminal operator. 6. F works for bank Q. 7. G works for bank P as a research analyst. And 8. D is not an agriculture officer. Okay. So let's write down the conditions and everything. So there are 7 people, which are A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay. 7 friends are there. Okay. 7 banks L, M, N, P, Q, R, S. These are our 7 banks, and 7 professions are there, which are economist, agriculture officer, okay, terminal operator, okay, IT officer, next clerk, next forex officer, and the last one is research analyst. Okay, these are the 7 people, 7 banks and 7 operations. We have written down it. Okay, written down it. So next, let's start with the conditions. Okay, the first condition, it says that C works for bank N. C works for N and is neither a research analyst, okay, nor a clerk. Means C is not research analyst or clerk. Next condition, E is an IT officer. E, IT officer and works for bank R. This is our second condition. Okay. Next, third, A works as a forex officer. A, forex officer. Okay. And does not work for L or Q. Okay. Next, the one who is an agriculture officer works for bank M. Means for M it is a agriculture officer. Okay, this is 4. Fifth one, the one who works for bank L works as a terminal operator. L, it is a terminal operator. Okay. Next, sixth one, F works for bank Q. F, Q. Next one, G works for bank P. G works for P and it is a research analyst. Okay. And the last one is D is not an agriculture officer. We can write down here. D is not an agriculture officer. Okay. Here are our 8 conditions. Okay. So by using these 8 short conditions, we have to solve. Guys, for solving such type of questions, we should have a habit of writing down these short conditions in the short form, so that we can't there is a slightest or no mistake that we can our answer can go wrong or something like that. Okay. So let's start now. So here we can say that these are the list of the persons. Okay. Here are the banks. Okay. And here are the professions. Okay. So let's start persons. Okay, now go by any condition. Let's start with persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So that we can solve it. Now A works as a forex officer. Okay, its profession is forex officer. Okay, we have to find the bank for which A works. Okay, next B nothing has given. Next C works for bank N. Okay, we don't know his profession yet, but the condition is giving he is neither a research analyst not a clerk. Okay, next D is not an agriculture officer. That is the only thing we know about D. Okay, next E. Where is E? E is an IT officer and works for bank R. And he is an IT officer. So this one is completely solved. F works for bank Q. Okay, we have to find this remaining blank. And last one is G. Okay, G works for bank P and he is a research analyst. Okay, and now by using who is who and who is not who, we have to find remaining things. Okay, let's start. A is forex officer but does not work for bank L and Q. Okay, 3 banks are already occupied, which N, R, Q, P. So we have to cut this one. N, R, Q, P. Okay, what is remaining? L, M, S. Okay, L does not work for L, so L bhi gaya. Okay, remaining is M and S. But the one who is working for M, bank M, is the agriculture officer. But A is not agriculture officer. So A does not work for bank M. So naturally A works for bank S. Okay. Next. फिर again. Okay. Next thing. This is completely going. So we can write S भी cancel कर दिया. Okay. Next. Okay. C is not a research analyst, not a clerk. Okay. C. Neither a research analyst, not a clerk. So फिर again we have to cut this one. Things which are cutting are forex officer, research analyst, IT officer. Okay. C is not a clerk too. So clerk bhi gaya. The only thing remaining are eco, agriculture officer and terminal operator. Okay. But we know that one who is working as agriculture officer works for bank M. So this cannot be C. So C, this one too has gone. Terminal operator and economy. Again L, the one who is working for as a terminal operator works for bank L. So we can write down C works as a economist. Okay. So ये भी है. Okay, next. This one too. D is not an agriculture officer. D is not an agriculture officer. So agriculture officer must be here or here. But Q, agriculture officer works for bank M. Here is a Q. So M, agriculture officer. This is the only bank slot for it. Okay. Okay, next. Agriculture officer. L is a terminal operator. Only 2 places are remaining in the profession. One is for terminal operator and one is for clerk. Okay. The one who works for bank L is a terminal operator. Here is a bank Q. So bank L must be here, which is a terminal operator, who is a D. So Q must be a clerk because only the last profession remaining. Okay. So by this or such thing, our question problem has been solved. Okay. So there are 4 questions based on this one. Okay, which you have to solve. The first question is, who among the following works as a agriculture officer? So here is our agriculture officer. Now who works as agriculture officer? M. So our answer is M works as a agriculture officer. Sorry, M is a bank. So our answer is B. B works as an agriculture officer because B is a person. Second, what is the profession of C? C. What is the profession of C? C is an economist. Okay. Third question. For which bank does B work? B works as an agriculture officer for bank M. Okay. Last question. What is the profession of the person who works for bank S? Okay. Where is bank S? Here it is a bank S. The person works for bank S is A and his profession is forex officer. Okay. Sometimes we have to match, we have questions like match the followings. Okay. So in this way we have to solve this. I hope you get these questions, you get how to go through this question, how to solve these questions. Okay, I hope that you have understood it well and will practice. Okay, thanks for watching it. Thank you.